My name is Rachel Turner and I'm the General Manager for Sticky. Sticky is a family-owned confectionery business. We make rock candy and we're based in Sydney, New South Wales. Like many businesses at the start of COVID with the initial lockdown, there was no public coming to the store, so we thought the only way we could really reach that public was to start live streaming on the smallish platform that we had at the time. We started live streaming to thousands of people every week, which was incredible. So we thought we'd try another platform, which was TikTok. We now have 5.8 million followers on TikTok. Since we've started live streaming on the platforms, we've gone from 10 online orders a week to 500 to 800 orders a week. Initially with our online orders, the candy was packed into boxes and then we were using bubble wrap and plastic tape to seal every box. We were using so much plastic in our packaging, we would see rolls of bubble wrap disappearing every week and it was quite confronting. Our orders are packed in a variety of ways. Our smaller orders are packed into honeycomb mailers for shipping. Sort of mid-size orders are packed into mailing boxes, which we then pop into compostable mailers. And our larger orders are packed into a variety of different boxes depending on the size of the order. Since we've switched to Signet's packaging, we've been able to reduce the amount of plastics we use by 99%, which has been fantastic. And we've also halved our packaging time. Signet have been great. We've been their customer for 10 years and they've been fabulous to work with.